Hey, what's up, guys? Zach Calhoun here, co-founder of cloudpano.com. Wanted to give a quick note today about whenever you're selecting your niche and you are going after a new niche and you want to provide virtual tours for them, digital media for them, any kind of digital marketing services. A quick tip that I think is very important, and you really got to sear this into your brain, is you need to kind of obsess over your customer, obsess over that niche. And the best way to create market resonance with your niche is not by guessing or showing off virtual tours or showing what you do, but actually obsessing over their pains and their problems and their needs. And you need to discover them and create a message based on what their pains are. So for example, if you target a property management company or a large real estate developer, and you figure out by speaking to them that right now their most important thing is to fill up leases or to create virtual showings, like using Cloud Pano, virtual showing feature like Cloud Pano Live. If you learn what their biggest need is, like we need to fill up listings to 97%, like let's say hypothetically, leases, we need to fill up leases to X number. If you have a measurable amount, a measurable goal that your client has or your niche has, use that in your marketing, use it in your headline, use it in your specialty. So some folks will say, I'm a professional photographer, right? Or I'm really good at photography, or I'm really good at virtual tours, or I'm really good at X, whatever it is. That doesn't really matter to the deepest part of the core of your client, of your customer. What really matters is to them is their deepest and most important pain. So they want results. Figure out what those results are, reverse engineer those results into your marketing message, and then get that message in front of the most people you can in that niche. It's my quick tip for today. Hope it's helpful.